It's time. It's time to give Black Beauty a bath. Now, it's hot in Alabama. We're pushing 100 degrees today. That's not heat index, that's the temp. That's the temp. So I got Black Beauty in the shade. I'm gonna give him a bath. I know that watching somebody wash a bike is riveting content, so I'm not going to ask you to watch me wash this whole bike. Worst part of washing a bike. I'm on the ground, on wet grass. The rear wheel's even more fun. Might would help for me to take the saddlebag off. Not gonna do it today. Just gonna do the best I can do. Well, that was a lick and a promise. It's better than it was. It's better, cleaner than it was. But even working with water, when I first turned on the water with the little spray nozzle from the water hose, that water was scalding hot. I don't believe I could have taken a shower underwater that hot, just laying in the water hose. Scalding might not be the right word, but it was hot. So anyway, so I have a motorcycle club meeting tonight at one of the local restaurants, and I want Black Beauty to look decent. I think I accomplished that. I'll remind you of this, and stay tuned to the very end. I've got a surprise for you. Jesus said the thief only comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. He said, I've come that they might have life. You may have life, and that you may have it more abundantly. And I want to encourage you today to choose the life that comes with serving Jesus Christ. Hang on. Here we go.